Chapter 3 Multiplication and Division. From Sadhana workbook you can refer. And coming to first one, 4562 into dash equal to 0. The product is given 0. So which number you multiply with given number? The product will be 0. So means 0 only. So the required option is 2. If you multiply with 0 into any number, the product always 0. Next, dash into 100 equal to 1,32,000. 1,32,000 means we have to find the number, means we have to find the multiplicate for that and dividing 1,32,000 divided by 100. So zeros will be cancelled. 1,320. So which is the correct option? Option 1. Next one, 0 divided by 35 equal to dash. So 0 divided by any number, what did you get children? 0 only. So the required option is 4. Next one, if dividend equal to 856, quotient equal to 21, then divisor is, so if dividend already we know, that is 856. Divisor is, we have to find, quotient is 21. Now take 4 times 84. Now 1, 6. So we cannot divide 0 times. It will be 0 only. So 16. 16 is a remainder. So we can take more times also. Approximately I am taking the divisor is 40. So the required option is 1. We'll get more also. If you keep the 0 here, 160 will get, means we'll divide again and again. So approximately we'll get the divisor will be 40. Next one, the number of hours in the month of September 2020 is. So number of days in the September is 30. So 1 day equal to how many hours children? 24 hours. Now multiply 0, 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So 720. So which is the correct option? What is the required option? Option 3. Next one. Mother Dairy sold 90,804 liters of milk in the month of June, July and August. What was it daily sale? So first we have to calculate number of days of given months. June month have 30 days. July month 31 and August month 31. So total number of days are 92. So first we have to divide 90,804 divided by 92. So can we divide 90 divided by here 92? No. So we have to take 9 times. So 9 times. So 9 times. 9 times we get so 9 times. So here 90,804 divided by 92. 9 times I am taking. So 9 2s are 18, 1, 9 9s are 81 plus 1 is 82. Now subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. This 0 will become 10. This is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now take down 0. Now I am taking 8 times. 8 2s are 16, 1. 8 9s are 72 plus 1 is 73. Now subtract 0 minus 6 we cannot. So we have to regroup it. This will be 4 and here this 0 will be 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now bring down 4. So how many times we can take children? Can we take here 4 no? So can we take again 8 times or 7 times? Now 7 times 7 2s are 14. 1 7 9s are 63 plus 1 64. So how many liters children? Each day 987 liters. So we get means 90,804 is divided by 92, we get 987 liters. So, for each day, daily sale is 987 liters. So, the required option is 2. Coming to next one. Anuradha spent rupees 3,840 to buy 480 roses. How much did each rose cost? So, already we know how much she spent and how many roses already we know. We have to find the cost of one rose. So, that means 3,840 divided by 480. So, 0 will be cancelled. This will get 8 times. So, the cost of each rose is 8 rupees. So, we get option is 1. Next one, 25 people can eat 400 oranges. How many oranges are required for 75 people? So, already we know how many oranges 25 people can eat. So, first we have to find how many apples can eat one man. Then we can find number of apples that 75 people can eat. So, that means 400 divided by 25. So, how many apples, children? See, 400 divided by 25. One time 25. Now subtract 0 minus 5 we cannot. Again we have to regroup it. This will be 10. This is 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now take down 0. 6. 6 25s are 150. So one man or woman can eat 16 apples. So we can find 75 people. That means 16 into 75. We get total number of oranges are required. So 16 into 75. 5 6 are 33. 5 ones 5 plus 3 is 8. Now ones place should be 0. 6 sevens are 42. 4. 7 ones are 7 plus 4 is 11. 0 0 2 1. So we get 1200 oranges. How many oranges are required, children? 1200. Which is the correct option, children? Option 2. Next one. Dash divided by 8 equal to 31. So we have to find the dividend. How did you get dividend? Dividend equal to, we get divisor into quotient. So means 31 into 8 will get the dividend, that is 248. Which is the correct option, children? Option 4. See, 8 ones 8, 8 3s are 24. So 248. Next one, 171 is divided by 9. We have to find the quotient. 171 is divided by 9. So I am taking 1 time 9, subtract. So 7 minus 8 we cannot. We have to regroup it. 7 will become 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now bring down 1. So it comes 9 times 81. So what is the quotient, children? 19. Which is the required option? Option 1. The required option is 1. Got it, children? Once again practice. Thank you.